Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid for taking online surveys. But not only that, how you can make a lot more money beyond just taking the surveys. Find out how next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can get paid for taking simple, easy online surveys, but not only earn that money, but how to turn that little bit of money into potentially a lot more money. I literally just thought of this method. I'm sure I'm not like the creator of this method, but I just thought of it 2 nights ago. I'm like, wow, this would be cool. So a lot of times you take these survey sites, right? You hear about them all the time. You sign up with them and you do make some extra money. You do make a little bit. Maybe at the end of the month, hey, you made 25 bucks, you made 30 bucks, $10, $40, whatever. But you realize like it ain't a lot of money. It's not enough for you to like live off of or do too much, but you know, it's some extra money, right? So how can you make more? Is there a way to make more? If you're not getting enough invites and everything like on a regular basis, there's not really too many ways you can make extra money. But here's something that you can do. You need well, not most, but some of the survey sites actually have referral programs where you can actually earn money every time that you get somebody to sign up with you, underneath you, whatever. You refer somebody and you actually, in most cases, either get a little bit of money from the company, a one-time thing, or you will actually earn a percentage of whatever the referral earns with the site. You actually earn a commission of whatever they make from taking surveys, right? So you might be thinking, okay, cool, I already know that. But here's how you can promote it. I just thought about it. All right, this is all you need. You need a social media account, and you can't see my finger. You need a social media account, and you need a Bitly account or some sort of link shortener, right? Because Facebook especially doesn't like you putting out like ugly referral links. They don't like that. So all you need is a social media account. It could be Twitter, mainly like I would say Twitter or Facebook. You can even do this with YouTube, to be honest with you. Will be actually more work with YouTube. But anyway, this is all you need to do. Sign up with these survey sites, right? That have referral programs that are decent, that you like, whatever. Once you start taking the surveys, you sign up. Every time that you take a survey from any one of these companies that you're with, right? You take you get your referral link, whatever, you take it over to Bitly, you get it shortened, so you only got to do that one time because it's your referral link. Then you go to your social media, whether it be Twitter or Facebook. I would personally use Facebook. And all you do is just simply make a post and say, hey, I just made XYZ from Paid Viewpoint. Easy money, right? And you put your referral link, and then it'll show up, whatever, and people can click on it, people can ask questions. Another idea, though, is actually take a screenshot of your earnings, because every time you take a survey, in most cases, they'll sit there and say, hey, you just earned $2. Hey, you just earned 25 cents, whatever. The money adds up. All right. But, oh, you just earned $3. You just earned $2 from whatever. To me, it works better if you take a little screenshot, you post the image on your Twitter or Facebook, then you put what I just said. Hey guys, just made $2, the easiest $2 ever. And then put that screenshot image of it, and then put your referral link. Every time you take a survey, just post it, because Facebook and everything, especially Facebook, they're all about what are you doing, what you up to, what you do today, right? So that's what you did. You just made on your lunch break. That's another thing. I just made $5 on my lunch break, right? Put a screenshot of it and then put the referral link. You don't know people on your Facebook. You don't think people, even if they don't comment, they're definitely going to click on your referral link. Another way you could test this out, if you're watching this, you might be like, it sounds okay. Just test it out. And I want you to test it out and then come back to this video, save this video, come back and comment, let me know how it worked. Because I just think it's a good way to earn some extra money. So you're doing it from two different angles. You're actually getting paid, making some extra money from doing these surveys, and then you're turning around and getting referral money, which can make you a lot more than actually taking a survey. So you combine the two, now you might be making a couple $100 a month from your survey efforts instead of your, $20 to $50, whatever. And you could do this with as many survey sites as you want, to be honest with you. So you can really ramp it up. It could become a little annoying if all you do all day is just post your survey results. I would personally recommend just doing it like one post a day where you made money, because then that makes it look like A, that's you do got a life outside of doing surveys, and B, it shows that wow, this really, John really is making extra money doing surveys. If they see one post every day that you just earn another $1 or $2 or $5, whatever, that's gonna really get people to join with you and everything like that. And my last point was that I was trying to make was, try this method out, because you can always go to your Bitly account and you can see how many clicks you're getting. So you don't even have to base it off of people liking your posts or commenting. Just go and see how many clicks you got. Because a lot of people, they don't want to comment. They don't believe in making money online. They don't believe in surveys. That's stupid, right? So check your Bitly click rate, and then see, see how it works. If you want, like I said, you can make several Bitly links and then just rotate posting them, for the same company. You can just rotate posting them, and then, you can just switch them around if you're worried about posting the same link all the time. But it shouldn't be an issue, or unless one day Facebook don't like Bitly links no more. But it is what it is. All right. So check that out. Now, what I did was I put links to survey companies that I've made money from and that are super, super easy and that you can promote very, very easy with this method. Paid Viewpoint. They'll start getting you surveys today. You can join them. Survey Junkie is another one you can join, and Swagbucks, and even I talked about this before, Slice the Pie is another thing. What you could do with Slice the Pie, same kind of theory. You can write your reviews. You get paid to write reviews on audio clips and clothing and stuff like that. What you can do, same theory. You sit there maybe for 20 minutes, write reviews, get it to the point where you made $2 or $3, and then post a screenshot. You made this today. Same concept. So that's 4 spots that you can get started with right now. Join and get going with it. Hopefully you like this method. Hopefully you start making that money, and when you do, come back and comment and let other people know that it works. All right, you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.